Hey, how's it going? I thought I'd just give you a quick look at the heater box on the van. I took it off. I thought maybe I'd find a few mice nests or a couple of dead mice in there, but there was nothing. So I did take the heater core out. Here it is here. Flushed it out. Looks pretty clean. Even had a little inspection camera that I stuck in the end there and had a look. That looks pretty good. So it's a pretty basic system. Fan turns, air goes in through here, through the heater core, and then this would be defrost, and back here is the for the floor. And I guess if you just want air, you'd flick that down, and I guess the air would go over top, miss the heater core, and go in here. So pretty basic system, and I'll show you where it goes. So here's where it came from. I guess it draws air from there. And that's about it. It just fits in there. Pretty simple. So I'm going to install it and see how it goes.